Dear students, welcome to online class. Today in this class, I am going to take 8th standard English, poem number 1, Beauty. The poem Beauty is written by A. E. Shore. Louise Abeita was the original name of A. E. Shore. She was born in 9 September 1926 in USA. She was an author, poet and also educator. So let's see about the poem Beauty. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. So in the daytime, where we can see the beauties, the sunlight, the trees, the birds and corn growing, people working or dancing in their harvest. We can see those kind of beauty during the daytime. Come to the second paragraph. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. So in the night time, where we can hear the beauty, it is in the wind sighing, rain falling, singer chanting anything in the earnest or sincerely, seriously. Those kind of beauty we can hear during the night time. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work and even in your rest. So where we have the beauty in ourselves, in good deeds means good works, in our good work, in our happy thoughts, good thoughts that repeat themselves in our dreams, in our work and even our rest also. We also having the beauty in ourselves, in our good work, in our happy thoughts and also it repeat themselves in our dream, in our work and even in our rest. So this is the beauty A. E. Shore telling us that. Let me repeat you once. The poem Beauty is written by A. E. Shore. A. E. Shore describing us where we can see the beauty. In the daytime, we can see the beauty in various things. What are there? During the daytime, we can see the sunlight. It is the beauty. We can see the beauty in the trees. It is so beautiful to see. And then the birds. And the corn growing, people working and dancing in their harvest. So these kind of beauty we can see during the daytime. In the night time, we can see the beauty. We can hear the beauty. Where? The wind sighing. The sighing sound of the wind and the rain falling sound and singer chanting anything in the earnest. Seriously, we can hear those kind of sounds. We can hear the wind sighing, rain falling and singer chanting anything in the earnest. And we have the beauty in ourselves. Where? In the good work and happy thoughts and that repeats in our dream, in our work and also even in our rest. This is the beauty A. E. Shore telling us that where we can see and where we can hear the beauty. I hope you all got this poem. Answer the following questions. First one, who is the writer of the poem Beauty? List the things where beauty can be seen during the day. List any two things of beauty can be seen during the night. Dear students, try to answer all these questions. Thank you.